In this video, I'll show you how to send crypto between Binance Centralized Exchange and Binance Wallet. If you've got the app on your phone, up at the top you should see two tabs. One says Exchange, one says Wallet, so we can flick between them. And if you don't have a Binance account yet, I'll leave a link below. If you sign up via that link, I think you get a bonus, and I'll leave some other helpful video guides on everything to do with Binance down in the description too. What we need to do is flick over to the Wallet section. So up at the top, just click Wallet. If you haven't got the wallet set up, it will go through that process. It's like 2 seconds. You can set up the wallet, no problem. If you want a full guide on how to do that, I'll leave that video in the description as well. But now we've got the wallet set up. Top right hand corner, there's a yellow button called Receive here. So we'll click that. Transfer from Binance Exchange is what you want. Now, I'm going to be using a blockchain here. So we have to figure out which blockchain that we're using and what assets we want to send over. I'll show you with the BNB Smart Chain. That's Binance's chain. So I'll send over some BNB coin. Now, when you use a blockchain, you have to pay for fees with every transaction. If you send crypto, if you swap coins or anything like that, you have to pay a fee. Now, I'm going to be using the Binance Smart Chain, and so I'll be sending over BNB coin, which is the gas coin on that network. If you're using Ethereum, you'll use ETH. If you're using Solana, you'll use Sol, and so on. Whichever network that you're using, just figure out what's the gas coin on that network, send it over, and you can pay for transaction fees with that coin. So I'm going to click BNB coin here, and I'm going to use the BNB chain. That's where I want it. This other chain, OPBNB, is also supported, but I don't want to use that chain. I'm going to use BNB Smart Chain. Like this, down at the bottom, press continue. And it auto-populates my address. That's my Binance Wallet address, and it's going to take the crypto out of my Binance Centralized Exchange. Network is here as well. Let's choose an amount to send over, like this. I'm going to press transfer. It's just going to confirm everything. Do you want to send it? Press confirm. And then that will send it out from your Binance Exchange to the Binance Wallet. After the transaction is successful, you should see the balance in your wallet now increase with the amount that you sent over. So that has gone up. Bottom right, if you click your assets, you can see here I sent some BNB coin. Now we want to send this back into Binance Centralized Exchange. So you can click on the asset itself, or in your assets up at the top, left-hand corner, it says send. So we'll press send here. I'm going to transfer to the Binance Exchange this time, like this. It says, what asset do you want to send over? So I'm going to send some BNB. Now, because I'm using a blockchain here, I'm actually using a wallet on the Binance Smart Chain. When you send a transaction, you have to pay a gas fee. If you don't have any of the gas coin on the network that you're using, you won't be able to send the transfer. So for example, if you have stable coins or something on a chain and you don't have any of the gas coin on that chain, you won't be able to send the stable coin. What you'll have to do is actually deposit some of the gas coin so that you can pay for transaction fees to send the coin over. So because I'm using BNB coin, I'm paying for the fees in BNB coin and sending that coin as well. It's from my wallet. It's to my Binance Centralized Exchange. All of the addresses are auto-populated. BNB coin is the token that I'm sending. I can choose max here, and it's going to send the maximum amount minus any transaction fee. Press continue. Notice it will tell you what the estimated fee will be and everything like that. If you're happy, press confirm, and that will send it from your wallet back into your centralized exchange. But you need the gas coin on the network that you're using, otherwise it will say transaction failed. I'll leave some other helpful videos on Binance and Binance Wallet and how to use blockchains down in the description below. Sign up link to Binance as well down there if you want a deposit when you're a new user. I'm James, this is MoneyZG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.